It's really quiet today, isn't it?
Yeah, it's the rain. Nobody wants to walk outside in this weather.
That's true. It's nice for me, though. I can finally clean the espresso machine properly. Do you want another coffee? Or are you okay with that one?
I'm okay for now, thanks. I'm actually just looking through some old files on my phone.
Oh? Working on a case?
No, nothing like that. I'm off duty today. No police work. My mom sent me a message. She scanned a bunch of old family photos and sent them to me. I haven't seen these pictures in years.
Really? I love looking at old photos. It's like traveling back in time. Can I see?
Sure. Be careful, though. I look very different. You might not recognize me.
Now I have to see. Show me the best one.
Okay, look at this one. This was, wow, maybe 15 years ago?
Let me see. Oh, look at you. You were so small. Is that you in the middle?
Yeah, that's me. I was about 9 years old there.
You look serious. You aren't smiling.
I know. I was trying to be like my dad. That's him standing behind me.
The man in the uniform? He looks very tall and very strong.
He was. He was a police officer too. Well, he's retired now. But back then, he was very strict. You can see it in his face, right? He didn't smile very often in photos.
He has a very kind face, though, even if he isn't smiling. I like his mustache. It's a very classic style.
Yeah, the mustache. He had that mustache my whole life. He finally shaved it off last year. It was a big shock for the family. We didn't recognize him.
So, where was this photo taken? It looks like a forest.
It was a camping trip. We used to go camping every summer. My dad loved the outdoors. He wanted to teach me everything. How to build a fire, how to set up a tent, how to read a map.
That sounds fun. I love being outside.
It was fun, but it was also work. See how my shirt is perfectly tucked in?
Yeah?
That was a rule. Always look neat, Jake. Clean your boots, Jake. He treated our camping trips like a training camp. Maybe that's why I became a physical training instructor at the academy. I'm used to the discipline.
It makes sense. You followed in his footsteps.
Exactly. But I don't make my students tuck their shirts in while we are camping. I'm a little more relaxed than he was.
That's good. Camping should be relaxing.
Wait, let me find another one. This one is funny. It's completely different. Here, look at this disaster.
No way! Is that you?
Yes, unfortunately, that is me.
Oh my gosh! Look at your hair. It's purple.
It was electric violet. That's what the box said. I was 16. I was in high school.
And you have earrings. And look at that t-shirt. It's so big.
It was my rebellious phase. You know, when teenagers want to break the rules. I didn't want to be a police officer then. I wanted to be a rock star.
A rock star? You?
Yes, I played the drums. I was in a garage band. We were terrible. We made so much noise. My poor neighbors.
This is amazing. You look so different from now. Now you have short hair, you wear a uniform, you're very polite. In this photo, you look like a wild person.
I felt like a wild person. I remember that day. It was a Saturday. We were practicing for a school concert. I thought I was so cool.
What did your dad say about the purple hair? If he was strict, he probably didn't like it.
He hated it. He didn't shout, though. He just looked at me, shook his head, and said, "Jake, you look like a grape."
A grape. That's funny.
Yeah, I kept the purple hair for 2 weeks. Then I had to cut it for a family wedding. I missed that hair. But looking at it now, I think short hair is better for me.
I agree, but it's a great memory. It shows you have a fun side.
I still have a fun side. I still play the drums sometimes. Just not with purple hair.
Do you have any photos of where you grew up? I'm from Portland, so everything here in the city looks so different to me.
Actually, yes. This album has a lot of scenery photos. My mom loves taking pictures of buildings and parks. Let me scroll down.
Expand your vocabulary with our core 2,000 words ebook. It's free and packed with essential expressions that you'll use on a daily basis. Start building your vocabulary today. Click the link in the description below to download your free English ebook before it's gone.
Okay, look at this one. Do you recognize this street?
Let me look closely. There's a bakery on the corner and a tall brick building. Wait, is that the Triple Almond apartment building?
Yes, that's our building. But look at the date on the photo.
2010. Wow, it looks so clean.
It was practically new back then. Or well, it had just been painted. See the shop on the ground floor?
Yeah, it's a dry cleaner's in the photo. But now, wait, that's this coffee shop.
Exactly. Before this was a coffee shop, it was Dan's Dry Cleaning. I used to come here with my dad to pick up his uniforms.
That is so weird. I'm standing in a dry cleaner's right now.
Basically, the counter was in the same place, but the walls were white, not brown, and it smelled like chemicals, not coffee. I prefer the coffee smell.
Me too, definitely.
And look at the street. There are no bike lanes.
You're right, just cars. It looks more dangerous.
It was. The city has changed a lot. They added the bike lanes and planted more trees about 5 years ago. It's much nicer now.
It's funny how photos freeze time. You forget how things used to look.
Yeah. My mom took this photo from across the street. We lived on the 3rd floor back then.
Wait, you lived in the Triple Almond building when you were a kid?
Yeah. We moved out when I was 12 to a house in the suburbs. But when I got the job at the police academy, I moved back in. I'm in apartment 4B now.
No way! I'm in 4D. We're neighbors?
Really? 4D? That's down the hall on the left, right?
Yes, the one with the green doormat.
I walk past that door every day. I never knew that was you. I guess our shifts are different. I leave really early in the morning for physical training.
And I leave later to open the shop. That's crazy. Small world.
It is. So, you've seen the building now. It's old, but it has character.
It does. My heater makes a strange noise, and the windows rattle when it's windy. But I like it. It feels like home.
It does. It has a lot of memories for me.
Do you have any more photos? Maybe one of your mom?
Yeah, here. This is a nice one. This was at a picnic.
Oh, she's lovely. She has a very bright smile. And look at the food. Is that a birthday cake?
It was my sister's birthday. See the little girl in the pink dress? That's my sister.
She looks so happy. And your mom is holding a... what is that? A guitar?
No, that's a ukulele. My mom loves playing instruments. She actually tried to teach me, but my hands were too big. I couldn't play the chords. That's why I chose the drums. You hit things with sticks. It's easier.
I don't think drums are easy. You need rhythm.
True, but you don't need delicate fingers.
Your family looks really close in these pictures. Everyone is together.
We are. We had our problems, of course. My dad was strict. I was rebellious. My sister was, well, she was loud. But looking at these photos, I only remember the good stuff.
That's the best thing about photos. They keep the good memories safe.
Yeah. You know, I don't take enough photos now. I have a smartphone with a great camera, but I mostly take pictures of documents or my car. I don't take pictures of people.
We should change that. We are too busy working. We forget to capture the moment.
You're right. Hey, since we are neighbors and we are both here, do you want to take a photo for the new album?
Sure, but let me fix my hair first. The rain made it a little messy.
It looks fine. You look great. Come on, stand next to the coffee machine. It's your natural habitat.
Natural habitat. Okay, ready.
Okay, say triple almond.
Triple almond.
Let's see. Hey, that's actually a good picture.
Let me see. Oh, I like it. The lighting is nice. And you are smiling. A real smile, not the serious police officer face.
I guess the coffee helps. I'll send it to you.
Thanks. I have an album in my phone called City Life. This will be perfect for it.
Speaking of city life, looking at that old photo of our building made me think.
About what?
About how much I missed this neighborhood when I lived in the suburbs. It was quiet there. Too quiet. Here, you have noise, people, traffic. But you also have community.
I know what you mean. In Portland, I lived near the mountains. It was beautiful, really beautiful. I went bouldering every weekend, but sometimes it felt a little lonely. Here, I can walk downstairs and talk to people.
Exactly. Like today. If I were in the suburbs, I would be sitting alone in my house watching TV. But here, I'm drinking coffee and looking at old photos with a friend.
A friend and a neighbor.
Right, a neighbor.
So, about your camping hobby, you said you still go?
Yeah, I try to go once a month. Usually to the state park. Why?
Well, since you like camping and I like bouldering, maybe we could organize a trip sometime? The state park has some great rocks for climbing.
That's a great idea. I haven't tried bouldering before. Is it hard?
It's a challenge. It's like a puzzle for your body. You have to figure out how to move up. But you're a PT instructor. You're strong. You'll be fine.
A puzzle for your body. I like that description. Okay, I'm interested, but only if we can make a fire afterwards. I make excellent campfire food.
Deal. I can't cook, so that works perfectly.
You can make coffee, though. We'll bring a portable coffee pot.
Now you are talking. That sounds like the perfect weekend. Oh, a customer. The slow day is over.
Back to reality. I should probably get going anyway. I need to go to the grocery store before I go back to the apartment.
Okay. Thanks for showing me the photos, Jake. It was really nice to meet Mini Jake and Purple Hair Jake.
Please forget about Purple Hair Jake. Just remember the neighbor Jake.
I'll try. See you around the building.
See you, Lisa. Have a good shift.
Purple hair. I definitely won't forget that.